This is a demonstration of the Menger Sponge project. The first time you launch the program, you can see the cube from this point of view. We can use the arrow keys left to rotate it left and an arrow key right to rotate it to the right, as well as the up key to rotate upwards and the down key to rotate downwards. Also, we can use a plus sign to increase the stages of the Menger sponge, as well as a minus sign to decrease the stages of the Menger sponge. We can also increase the scale by pressing I and decrease it by pressing O. We can also use a mouse to rotate it to left and right. We also created a way to export this object into an OBJ file. We do this by pressing the key S. As you can see, we have a feedback in our console that tells us that the saving is done. And over here in our desktop, we can see the object generated. Another interesting function that our program can do is to restore a Menger sponge using a previously generated OBJ file. Let's give you an example. We're going to use this Menger sponge, increase its scale and its stages, like that. So we're going to press S to save it. There's our feedback telling us that the saving is done. Now we're going to go back to the first stage. If we press the key R of restore, we're going to restore that generated object. And as you can see, it also tells you some feedback telling us that the file has been restored. We also implemented a way to control not only one, but two Menger sponges at the same time. If we press the key 1, we control one of them. As you can see, we can do the same functions we showed before. And if we press the key 2, we control the other Menger sponge. Finally, if we press the key 3, we control both of them at the same time.